What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. This is just a quick update video of my 2021 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. Today I'll be taking it into Motor Corsa service station and we're going to grab some oil and rad guards just so we don't damage these around these UK roads. So this was just the one journey back from Motor Corsa after getting the rad guards fitted. This time of year in the UK, you need to have some form of protection for your bike. Look at the state of this. But all importantly, rad and oil guards now fitted. Motor Corsa, thank you very much. Coming in at £105. Look in the description box below for the link. What's next to do with a bike that's dirty is clean it. So let's get on to that now. There we have her, back into her prime health. Beautiful, spotless, clean, bright protection on, chains clean, oiled, wheels are done, and she is looking spotless. And there we go, EvoTech Rad and oil guards, perfect addition to protect your bike throughout the year. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Plenty more long videos and short videos just like this coming. Obviously the 2022 season's coming in very soon. Looking forward to getting our hands on those bikes. Until the next one, ride safe.